Labas kami. Labas tayo. Hello guys! Welcome back to our channel. We are going to Gala. Let's try to Gala today. La 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 la. So where are we now? This is the new normal now. Going to the mall,
No,
wearing mask and follow distancing. Step.
No
That's how
ice
far.
There's no ice cream now.
Look,
We
this
cannot
is the
eat
way going to IKEA. I miss you, IKEA. Look at that.
Today kids are allowed to
Yeah.
go now.
It's allowed. Kids are allowed now. This is
We need to follow the blue dots for social distancing.
where are we going?
We're going to eat. We're about to eat now. Pagkakaya today. Pagkakaya. Bye-bye!
We are watching Ryan's Toys.
No, that's actually called the mystery playdate.
So can you tell me about your online schooling? What can you say about it? Which one do you prefer, Kia? MK, online schooling or face-to-face? Hey, online school or face-to-face?
I go face to face.
Are you not scared? Hi, Kian. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Kuya. Wait lang. 1. Sige. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. masasabi niyo sa buhay? Okay. Nag-try tayong mag-propagate, guys. Ito, pinalagay ko sila sa water. Ito, cling wrap. Tapos, nagbutas ako na kasya lang sila. Try natin to. Medyo parang basa sila. Tignan natin kung mabuhay ito. This is day 1. Put this aside. Another one. Tatlo sila. Tignan natin kung mag-workout itong ating experiment. First time nating mag-propagate ng succulent. Ang cute kasi nila. Ang ganda nilang para may hen. So, we'll see, guys. I'll update you once it will bloom or kung ano. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching.
Hello. So today we're about to sleep. So this is our room. You can see the room. All our stuff here.
My favorite thing.
We have our lamp here. It's on the lights right. And
So, what is your prayer?
about helping and healing all our family and friends.
What else?
Helping our frontliners.
Keeping us safe.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna do something with these 2 gallons. They're empty right now because we used them.
I want to say Sheila.
My baby brothers and exercise. So
Hi.
what I'm about to do, no, I got to speak. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do like a floating meditation. Float meditation.
Daddy.
Whoa, that's hard. My arms are shaking. I'll go exercise. So we both use this as weightlifters. So sometimes when my little brother exercise with 2 gallons. So we also have this. What's this called again? Treadmill. It's not really electronic. It's just only like
Manual.
Yes.
you need to push it.
Daddy. Mommy, Daddy.
So for me and Pian, these gallons that are still empty are quite heavy a little bit because we're still small. Except for me, I'm almost taller than my mom, who is taking a video. I'll go here. So I've been thinking about doing the big one. The big. Wait, there's still a little bit water though.
Is this water?
I've been thinking to put these 2 together, just like the biggest weightlifter. So I did this one. Now I did it until 40. So of course some of you guys can do that because you're a little bit bigger.
My bigger.
I hope you stay
My
safe
bigger.
and
But
do
bigger.
other fun or sweaty
There's
activities.
And what is?
See you guys later. Bye.
Bye.
See you on our next video.